Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So in this video I want to show you the best and low competition gig to sell on Fiverr. Okay, you see this was based online. It's a thing of interest and numerous, and the 21st century, with 21st centuries it's not about any online, but Fiverr is the best place for all to do so. So freelancing is the best place where anyone can earn and sell anything online, which is this Fiverr. So your earning will be safe with Fiverr, and total this is a legit site, as you all know. So as you all know, this is one of my main source of income. But however, finding a low competition gig on Fiverr is detailed research project that need a continuous research every day. So maybe you saw a gig today, just think, oh, let me rest and create this gig tomorrow. Check the same gig tomorrow. There's numerous people will be already there. There are thousands of sellers on this Fiverr that is doing continuous gig research for this new gig. So if you want to know the low competitive gig that you can sell right now, then this is the right video for you. So if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you are searching for competition gig, then this is the best place for you, where you can get tons of suggestions. As you're probably aware that Fiverr is one of the greatest outsourcing sites. Every track with excess of, it was like Fiverr is like this Fiverr here, right? It's like over 60 million individuals searching for work every day. So why can't you make money with this? So in this video I'm going to share a numerous thoughts about those gigs which have no or less competition, and here I've collected a true of the list. So let us get started. So my number one here is the certificate design, so which I choose is award design. So let us search, let us check who are in this service. So as you can see here, only 529 people. So as you can see here, so you can just go here to this website called My Poster My Wall to design it. So let us search for certificates. Coming somewhere here. As you can see here, this is certificate design. This is you don't have to have any knowledge in this. Just select one certificate and design and deliver it to your buyers. So the second platform you use is Canva. Okay, you can use, I love this Canva because I design numerous of things using this Canva, like numerous of things. So you can let me see part of my design. So as you can see, I design a lot on with this. So let's just search for certificates. Certificate portraits. As you can see here, academic. As you can see, this is academic certificate, or technical certificate, high school diploma certificate, gift certificate. So many more certificates on this one. So as you can see, template here. As you can see here, so this is a good service that you can sell right now. So then let us go to number 2 of this which are called the email subjects. So if you are a kind of marketers, or you have knowledge in writing email subjects, then this is a great gig for you. So let us search for this and let's see how many people are in this gig. So the next thing, okay, let's search for the email subjects. As you can see here, there are only 32s are buyers. As you can see, this person get 9 orders in queue. 9 orders in queue. As you can see here, right here. So just see what you just wrote. Okay, so let me show you, if you don't know the way around there. So I provide these 2 links. So all the link will be in the description below. So let us click on this email and see this. So next thing you're going to do is to pick, maybe is it benefit or paying points. So let me see. Okay, how to make money with freelancing. So let us check like this, and I'm going to generate the subject line. So you can see how to fix. No. So 15 things you need to know about how to make money with freelance to generate more suggestion. As you can see here. So let me change. If I could change this word to topic, then generate subject line again. So do you see how easily you can get how to make money? Okay, make money. Let me see. Not how to make money. It's telling me the keyword. Make money with freelancing. Then let's see how to do make money. Make money with freelancing now. Long live freelancing. It's make money with freelancing trick that we're using from now. So as you can see, so let's check this second one. I think I'm in love with this second one because I use it to make money with Fiverr. So let us see here. If we scroll down here, why most mistake? How to quit make money with Fiverr? No. So you can just go here and get the one that you want that is important. I mean, that is maybe aligned with what you want. So there is this next gig which I call the next gig. It's called the watch logo. If you are a graphic designer, then this is for you. So let us see those people that are in watch logo. So instead of you to just go there and go into this crowd, instead of searching for logo design, why we search for logo design when there are tons of things to do? As you can see, we are over 167,334 services here, where there are only 37 here hungry for the work, right? So you can just invest into this and then continue making your own money. So I'll call the 5,000, which is the gaming montage. So I kind of like this one. So if you are interested, in YouTube also, you can just get this gaming montage, which means editing. So I'm learning the latest thing because I don't know what happens with Fiverr nowadays. It's just kind of ban me on search because too much research. So as you can see here, only 1,030. All you need to do is just to join this video together. So you can see edit videos. So if you don't want to know, just go here on YouTube and search for gaming montage stuff like that. Gaming montage tutorial. Let me see tutorial. You can just search for tutorial. So this will just show you how to make an MP. So you can see here most things. Just need to download some video editors. So mostly I use Camtasia to do so. So the next I just search for. So all link will be provided in the description. So the next thing will be the dancing video. So if you are a dancer, and this will be the right gig for you, dancing video. So Fiverr is literally for everything, every service. As you can see, graphic design, there's a lot of need there that you can do. You can even create gig for this thing. As you can see, people here. As you can see here, I just show this one. So I'm going to close this thing right now. Let me just copy. As you can see, if I dance, I'm just to dance and then get multiple things. Okay, so get more things. So the next one I'm going to see is the shoe logo. Okay, it's the shoe logo. As you can see, the shoe logo. So let us search for people who are in this niche and how far and how can you get more big. So I also have let me see, yeah, shoe logo. Shoe logo. So as you can see here, there are only 75 people here, and you can see this gig. This one have like over 262 reviews for this just this platform only. So what are you waiting for when you can do this? So let us check the shoe design. If you are interested in shoe design, you can see here the many people designing shoes. See the others. See just things. As you can see, you can make more money from this. Okay. So let us go to my to the last gig, which I'm going to review here. So I call it footwear design, as you can see. So the next thing is Instagram reel. If you are interested in certain, know how to set some Instagram reels, like maybe Instagram ad stuff, just venture into this thing. Niche, you have to narrow down your niche. So let me go back here and do the Fiverr things again. Okay, so if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode too. If you are interested in the 36 ways you can make money on Fiverr, which is 36 gig, comprised of 36 gig, and also how you can deliver a gig, step by step on what to use to deliver and how you can deliver it, then check the description below that says 36x way Fiverr or 36x way, then make sure you get it. So all you need to do is just to send the email. You're going to receive the PDF file. It's a PDF file, right? It's a PDF file where you're going to receive your PDF file. So just confirm that you are the one that sent the email, then you've received the email into your box. And also there's a bonus on how to yank your gig inside the email too. So stay tuned. So this is the Instagram reaction. So as you can see, 18 was not in queue. So this guy is kind of killing it. So was not in queue. So you can venture here right now before more people came into it. So lastly, but not least, is the skyscraper techniques. I saw this about a guy named Brian Dean talking about how he get massive traffic in skyscraper techniques. So as you can see here, people are begging for it. So 10 reviews, so, and they are just no competition. So like 44 service are available for this. Okay, so if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So this will conclude the last of the video. As I said before, if you are interested in knowing 36 ways to make money online, which comprises of gigs and how you can make, so my final word that you will be going in search of low competition. You will go in search of what skill you have that are in demand and how you can optimize gig for that skill keyword. Maybe you are in web design, find some low competitive keyword. Don't just venture into the niche like just WordPress website design. There are way too many people here. Okay, I will design an agency website. Like agency website is a niche, like credit card repair website and other stuff. So if you like these videos, and I hope these videos help you successful on Fiverr. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Peace out.